Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to withdraw your money in the FreeTimeBucks platform. First, you need to meet the requirements to do this. The requirements are: accumulate $10 in your account and verify your identity. Account verification is secure. As you can see, I did it and I didn't have any problems because the platform is reliable. To verify your account, click on Settings, then click on the Verify ID option. Once your verification is complete and you already have at least $10 in your wallet, you need to set up a payment method. To do this is very simple. In the Settings section, now click on Payments. Here you have several payment options, including Hold My Payment, if you don't want to receive your payment yet, or Add to FreeTimeBucks advertisement balance, if you want to use your balance to advertise a website or a profile on a social network. When you set up the payment method you want to receive your money, just wait. FreeTimeBucks pays every week on Wednesday noon Australian time. You will automatically get paid if all payment settings are filled in correctly.